Hello everyone! Today, I'm walking you through trading stickers in Monopoly Go. First, open Monopoly Go on your device. It's crucial to know that trading stickers is an exclusive feature, so ensure you've reached level 15 to access the album feature. Then, within the app, you'll spot the sticker album. To begin trading, navigate to the album. Select the sticker you want to trade. Now, here's the fun part. Choosing who you want to trade with. Just click on your friend list, select a friend, and voila! You can send them the sticker. If you notice your friend list looking a tad slim, don't worry. You can always add more friends to expand your trading circle. Remember, the key to unlocking sticker trading is reaching level 15. So, keep playing, enjoy the game, and level up! If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!